Attorneys for the Alabama Press Association, AL.com, and other news outlets across North Alabama are seeking to stop secret jury selection in the corruption trial of Limestone County Sheriff Mike Blakely. The attorneys today filed a motion asking specially appointed Judge Pamela Baschab to stop the secret jury selection process and start over after giving both the press and public access to the proceedings. Members of the press and public have been barred from watching jury selection since Blakely's criminal trial began Monday morning in Limestone County. Dennis Bailey and J. Evans Bailey, attorneys for the Alabama Press Association, filed the request under the First Amendment of the U.S. Constitution and Section 13 the Alabama Constitution, which provide for free press and open courts. The motion says that the United States Supreme Court has ruled that the First Amendment right of public access to criminal proceedings includes jury selection. Baschab did not hold a hearing or issue a written order before barring the press and public from the courtroom in downtown Athens. Tony King, the judge's bailiff, on Monday told news reporters that Baschab closed off the proceedings because of concerns about security, limited seating, and making the jury comfortable. She would want to make certain that jurors felt comfortable, King said. That there wasn't people asking them, taking their names and so on and so forth. And so for that reason, she's not having access. King on Tuesday morning said the judge was continuing to bar the public and press for the same reasons. Reporters were allowed to enter the county courthouse in Athens on Tuesday, but were not allowed to leave the first floor. The jury selection took place on the third floor. The judge's decision to hold the proceedings in secret is impermissibly overbroad, the Press Association states in its motion. Even if the comfort of the venire were a legitimate reason to close a portion of voir dire, jury selection, this court has failed to narrowly tailor such concerns by, for example, conducting potentially embarrassing voir dire in chambers as suggested by the United States Supreme Court. The motion asks that if the judge does not start jury selection over from the beginning, then she open all future proceedings in the case and provide transcripts of what has already happened. The attorneys filed the motion after other efforts by the news outlets to get access to the proceedings were unsuccessful. AL.com and Huntsville TV station WHNT News 19 on Monday sent a letter asking the judge to open the proceedings. The public could not have more direct interest than in the criminal prosecution of a seated, elected sheriff, who has already raised the idea of a future run for office, the letter stated. The judge did not respond. Blakely has been the sheriff in Limestone County since 1983,